Good evening, respected sir and all my classmates. Today my presentation topic is which time is better, the earlier times or the present times. So I would like to have your opinion that what do you think that which is better, the earlier times are better or the present times are better?
Earlier time.
Earlier times are better. Okay.
This time. This time.
Earlier time. So Aditri, why do you think that earlier times were better?
In nowadays there are so pollution, and in earlier there is no pollution. There is fresh air.
Okay, so now let me start my topic that today I am going to explain you every small details about that which time was better. According to me, present time is better. So let me start now. First I am going to explain you the technology, which is the most important and the most used for nowadays. So technology. So according to me that in the earlier times there was no technology, and now there is many technology and it is better. So when like there was earlier times, people can not used to communicate with each other. Like now we can do video calls, we can send emails, we can do phone calls to our person, like our known. But in the earlier times we cannot, because there were this letter system, but there was no technology that time. So now I'm going to tell you about the business and tradings. When we talk about business and trading, in the previous times, in the earlier times, we used to have barter system. So what is barter system? Barter system, I'm not asking question, I'm telling you. So barter system was a type of system in which we used to trade goods for goods, like in exchange of goods for goods. Like if I'm giving rice in exchange of flour, so I would exchange rice, not any money, because in that time there was no money. There was only the system of like barter system in which we trade goods for good. But in now there is very different way. There is there are now money, so we can basically maintain our trading and business easily. Now we will talk about the thinkings and mentality, which is very important, and because of these days and these times we talk about this a lot. So thinking and mentality. So I guess you all must be knowing that in the previous times, some of the houses, some of the people who had broad thinkers, they used to send girls to school. They used to let girls study, do jobs, do businesses. But in many of the houses, girls were not allowed, women were not allowed to study, to read, to write, and to do their own work. Like whatever they want, they cannot do it. So do you think that this is good? No, right? So that is the main point, that in previous times we cannot do our own work. Now there is one more topic in this thing, that women empowerment. So now in nowadays women empowerment is there. We can do our own work, and we can do jobs, businesses, like we are independent now. But that time we are dependent. We are dependent on husbands, on brothers, and on our home. But nowadays, in the present time, we are not dependent. We are independent. We are self-dependent. We can do our work. We can do business. We can study. We can do anything what we want. Now, I would also like to tell about the trading of that time and now time. Trading was very poor that time. People do not usually know that how to do trading, because trading was not really familiar. But in nowadays, trading is very familiar, and most of the work is done by trading. So now I would like to conclude my topic that I am favoring that present time is way more better in everything. In technology, in thinking, in trading, in business, in all the work that we do. Thank you for listening to me. May I have any queries? You tell me.
My question is that you are saying that my favorite is present time. So why it is your favorite?
I am favoring present time is better because of the technologies, the business, the mentality, and all these things. Yes. Yes.
What do you think, that girls should be study or not?
Yes, they definitely should be studied, because everyone have the right to be self-dependent. Everyone has right to be independent to do their own work. You speak.
Why do you think Asian time is not better?
Asian time is not better. Asian time was not better, I am saying, because there was not technologies, there was not that much systems. People was not familiar about the things.